Hey friends, here I am out on Pike Lake, Saskatchewan. It's I don't know, about 20 or 25 minutes from Saskatoon. Or what I want to show you is actually my camper. So it's kind of a DIY, something I did myself. So I'll show you guys that and a little bit of our setup. We'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Some changes we made. We've got solar now on the camper. You might have noticed from the last video, and so now we've got the kayaks on top of the van, which seems to be working good. So these fold down into beds, so we've got two basically double beds here. Very important, perfectly fit the snack. Would you like one? Here you go. And that can go back in here. I've got one on either side. This is where I just shove my clothes, not folded or anything. I just shove them up there. Same with the sleeping bag. You can look up there. Just shove it in there. So these lights, they do work off a remote, but then you start turning one on and the other one goes off, and so we can just kind of go through like this, and also brighter, darker, that kind of thing. Underneath the benches here, these are the wheel wells here. So we've got storage on both sides. There's some storage up the sides here. And this little gadget allows me to plug in my phone, and with a keyboard and mouse I have over there, it basically turns it into a computer, and I can stream movies on here. And we've got the Bluetooth speaker, so just like at home. You've got the inverter, so you can turn your inverter on, and that just that can be inverter or shore power, because I can just plug that into the shore power here, or I can run it off inverter. And you got some fuses, and that is a charger, and then obviously your solar. There's a little light underneath here, which is pretty handy. So you can see what kind of, if you got to work on some things. You've got the fridge temperature, and then the current temperature inside of here. I can turn on these bright, really bright lights. That light is red, so as to not bother other campers that are next to you. So that's what that's all about. So this is a place where the stove, when we pack that up, it just can go back in this little compartment right here. Here we are at Pike Lake. It is a circus out here, ladies and gentlemen. This is one thing about being close to the city. It is a traffic jam, and it's a bit like the city. So anyway, thanks for coming along.
Hi.
What's going on, Mom?
Washing dishes.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's so cool.
Oh, look at how icy it is on here. Okay, let her go. Okay, let's lock it up.
but I think we should probably hit the road before we get hammered again.